Hi, this is John from PPP Academy. Today I have exciting news for our partners. In PPP Academy, we are always looking ways to add value to our partners and making sign up for our partners program easy. That is why we are launching our online partners program. With this online partners program platform, it will allow you to easily refer a participant to our workshop or our future workshop, regardless it's an offline and online event. So what you need to do is you will be given an online link which you can use to post on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or even in your email sending to invite people to our workshop. So let me show you now how easy for you to sign up for our PPP Academy Partners Program online. So what you need to do is to go to bit.ly/PPP sign up. So now you should be able to see my screen, bit.ly/PPP sign up. So when you enter this to your web browser, it will link you to this page where you can sign up easily into our partners program. What you need to do is to fill out your first name, last name, email address, password, and the PayPal email. The PayPal email address is very important because this is the email we use to give a small token of appreciation for our partners who refer participants to our workshop or our online program. So once you click on create my account, then you will automatically receive an email of your partners program login, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so this will be the email you're going to receive, PPP Academy Private Limited Affiliate Program. So you receive this email with the login details here. So once you click on this link, it will bring you to this page where you can log into the online platform. Please use the email address that you enter when you sign up and the password you enter. So once you click on login, it will bring you to the dashboard of the online platform. Okay, so the dashboard will look something like this. Once you enter, you will see the stats, how many people click on your link, the amount of the token of appreciation you are earning and pending, and all the interesting stats that you can see. So how you can use to promote the partners program is you click on the media, and inside the media you will be able to see all the links that you can use to promote the workshop that we have. I think there's some error, so let me sign in again to show you. So click on login. Okay, so we click on media again. Okay, so right now you can see that there's two program or two workshop that you can help to refer your participant to our workshop. What you need to do is you copy the link. If you want to promote our Singapore workshop, copy the link. Then use this link to put in your email address or web browser to test whether it works. Just paste. It should bring you to the workshop sign up page for the Singapore workshop, as you can see over here. So once it's clicked, then whatever purchases or when participants sign up, it will be credited to you. So we will know that you are the one who refer this participant to our workshop. So with this, I hope that you enjoy this video and I hope that it will add value to you. So if you have any question that you have problems signing up for our partners program, do email us at enquiry@ppacademygroup.com and we'll be more than happy to help you out in the sign up process. So I will see you soon in the next update.